You've probably heard someone say that brand has a vibe or this creator's content just feels right, even if they can't explain why. Welcome to the world of vibe coding and vibe marketing, the science of why some stuff feels right and other stuff feels a bit cringe. So how do we actually design those vibes, especially when AI is involved? First off, a vibe is the emotional and sensory feel of something, how it comes across in tone, style, visuals, and timing. Think of the difference between a calm, minimalist bank versus a loud, colorful streetwear brand. Totally different energies. Vibe coding is the practice of deliberately shaping that feel in your content and products, almost like choosing the emotional settings for your brand. You then turn those settings into patterns AI can follow. It's about identifying the specific language, visuals, and pacing that define your vibe. Vibe marketing is using those patterns to create campaigns and content that consistently feel on brand, so your audience says, yep, that's so them. Now let's bring AI into it. Prompt engineering is simply how you talk to AI, choosing words, examples, and constraints to get the response you want. Here it's about prompts that lock in your brand voice, tone, and energy. Instead of just saying, write a product description, you say, write a playful description with short sentences and self-aware humor for a brand that doesn't take itself too seriously. Then there's context engineering. This is everything you wrap around the prompt, the brand guidelines, past examples, and do's and don'ts. You're basically teaching the AI what our vibe means in practice by feeding in approved phrases, sample posts, and even what sounds off-brand. So how do you do it? Here's a simple 3-step vibe coding workflow. Step 1, observe and collect. Collect real content that already feels on vibe for your brand or creator. Top performing posts, emails, ad copy, gather it all up. Step 2, decode. Ask yourself, what keeps showing up? Is it short sentences, emojis, dry humor, a specific color palette? Because if your brand accidentally gives tax office energy when you're aiming for festival energy, that's definitely a decoding problem. Step 3, encode into AI. Turn those patterns into prompts and context. Voice rules, example pairs, lists of banned words. You're literally coding the vibe so AI can help you scale it without going off the rails. Now let's see vibe marketing in action. You can use AI to draft social posts that always sound like you're serious for LinkedIn, playful for TikTok. It works for emails too. Whether you're launching a product or sending a we messed up apology, the tone needs to be consistent. Same for landing pages. Your headlines and CTA should match the vibe people expect, so nothing feels off or clickbaity. If your TikTok is all jokes, but your email reads like it was written by a 1990s fax machine, your vibes are fighting each other. A quick reality check. If everything is vibe managed by AI, brands can start to feel samey and fake. You still need human judgment. Vibe coding should amplify a real identity, not fake one. The AI should sound like you on your best day, not someone else completely. Use context to set boundaries, no insensitive jokes, no misleading FOMO. Treat AI as a collaborator, not the final boss. So to recap, vibe coding is how you design and document your feel. Vibe marketing is how you spread that feeling everywhere. The question isn't, does AI have vibes? It's, are you the one shaping them or just taking whatever the model gives you? If you want more clear, fun breakdowns of AI and creativity without the buzzword hangover, search for the Qwod Pod and follow the show.